Hello everyone, welcome to our Panasonic YouTube channel of Unwinding the Chef in You. My name is Reshmi and today I am going to show you how to cook chicken Reshmi Kabab in your Panasonic microwave oven. I am using a 27 liters of Panasonic microwave oven, and what are the ingredients I am using? Let's have a look. So we take here around 500 grams of boneless chicken which has been washed nicely and then marinated with half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Next, white vinegar 1 teaspoon. Next, we'll be taking 6 teaspoon of fresh cream, 2 teaspoon of corn flour, 1.5 teaspoon of white pepper powder, 3 tablespoon cashew nut paste, egg white of 1 egg, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, salt as per taste, 2 teaspoon melted butter. So now we take a big bowl and put all the ingredients into the bowl. Egg white, cashew nut paste, white pepper powder, corn flour, fresh cream, ginger garlic paste, melted butter, salt as per taste, and last, vinegar. I will mix all the ingredients. All the spices has been mixed nicely, and this is the marination. And I'm going to coat these chicken pieces one by one into this marination. Now to make these chicken Reshmi kebabs, I will be using these fine wooden skewers, and I have taken only 4 of them. Also, these will be roasted on this high rack. This high rack is provided by Panasonic microwave along with the microwave oven when it is purchased. So here I am going to take one by one the chicken pieces and put them inside the skewers. Just like this, the way I am doing, it will be done in this way. Now this is ready and I'm placing it on this high rack. Now this is how I have placed the kebabs on the high rack. But let me tell you one thing, that whenever we roast any food on these high racks, this black crispy tray is always to be kept just beneath the high rack so that whatever drippings is there, it gets collected on the crispy plate. So it becomes easy and doesn't get messy when the cooking is over. So this is how I have placed inside the microwave oven, and now I will close the door and let's come to the combination function. So now let's come to the combination function and press the combination function. The unit that gets displayed on the screen is C1, but we need to bring C2 power level by pressing another time, because this food is to be cooked in C2 power level for 10 to 12 minutes, and then start. Now here we come to the end of the recipe. Let's open the door. Wow. So you can see how nicely these kebabs can be cooked in Panasonic microwave oven, and these are already ready to serve. And this is how I am serving. You can serve it with some salads and lemon, and with some mayonnaise also. So this is how we can prepare. Hope you have enjoyed the video, and we'll meet again in our next video. Till then, goodbye.
Panasonic.